Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to update your Windows 10 or 11, and if you are receiving this error which says we couldn't complete the updates, undoing changes, don't turn off your computer. So whenever you update your Windows 10 or 11 and when you restart, if you see this, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run update troubleshooter. So for this, go to the start menu, then click on settings. Now, if you have Windows 11, click on System and then click on Troubleshoot. But if you have Windows 10, then click on Update and Security. Then you will find the option which says Troubleshoot. So click on Troubleshoot and then click on Other Troubleshooter or Additional Troubleshooter. And here you will find Windows Update. In Windows 10, simply click on it. Then you will see the option which says Run the Troubleshooter. Now in Windows 11, you will see Run option. So click on Run. And once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10 or 11. Now the next step is to use Windows 10 Update Assistant or Windows 11 Installation Assistant. So if you have Windows 10, copy this link. If you have Windows 11, copy this link. Now I'm showing for Windows 10 first. So go to this link and here you can see Update Now option. This is Update Assistant. Download it and then run this exe file. Click on Yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 10 Update Assistant. This will go ahead and check for update. If there is any pending update, it will let you know. Then you will see the install option, install it, and your Windows should be up to date. Now, if you have Windows 11, then go to this link. Here also you will find Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Click on download now, then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now over here you can see the option. There is an update. So accept and install. Now for many users, Windows 11 Installation Assistant might not load. It's not opening for many users. So if Windows 11 Installation Assistant is not opening, in that case, go to the download location. So go to the download folder in File Explorer, and here you can see Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Make a right click, then select Properties, and then go to the Compatibility tab, and then put a check on the box which says run this program in compatibility mode for. Put a check over here first, then select Windows 7 from the list, and then click on apply. Okay, now make a double click and launch the installation assistant, and you should be able to update from installation assistant. So that should go ahead and fix the error message. But still you are receiving the error message. In that case, you can go ahead and reset Windows update components. For this, copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy till here. And then open Notepad on your computer. Paste all the command over here. Go to File, then click on Save As, and you can set the location as desktop, and then name this file as wuauserv.bat. Name it, and then for Save As type, select all files, and then click on Save. Now close the Notepad. Go to desktop. Here you can see wuauserv file. Make a right click on wuauserv file and then click on Run as Administrator. Make sure that you're opening this file as an administrator. Click on Yes to allow. Now, first of all, it will go ahead and stop all the Windows update services. Then it will run some scans. Now, there are a couple of scans which will run. Now, this process will take some time. Once the scan is complete, it will go ahead and restart all the Windows update services. Once that is done, you can go ahead and restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 11 or 10. Now, the next step is to use media creation tool. Now, if nothing is working, you can use media creation tool. Again, go to the Windows 10 website or Windows 11 website, whichever operating system you have. And then for Windows 10 users, here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now. And once the download is complete, run this exe file. Then you will see the screen which says accept. Click on accept. And then by default, upgrade this PC now would be selected. Click on next. Now this will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take time. Now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So click on install. After the installation, log into your computer and your Windows 10 should be up to date. If you have Windows 11, go to this link, and here also you will find media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Now click on accept, and then by default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Now select ISO file, then click on next. Now select the location as desktop. Now you can go ahead and click on save. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop. Here you can see Windows ISO file. Make a double click on Windows ISO file. Then here you can see setup file. Make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11. Here you can see install Windows 11. Click on next. It will go ahead and check for update. Then click on accept and again it will check for update. Now this process will take some time. Now once it is done, before the installation, you will see the screen which says keep your personal files and app. This would be checked by default. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install and after the installation, log into your computer. And this time your Windows should be up to date and you should not receive this error message anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.